Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to exit community in WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're inside the WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now in this interface, here you can see the community section over here. Tap on it. In this page, you can see all the communities that you have joined before. Now, in order to exit a community, first of all, you need to go to that particular community page. As you can see, I'm part of this Space Gym community, so I'll just tap on it. Once you're in the community page, here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now select community info option from here. Now you're in the settings page of this specific community. So in order to exit this community, first of all, scroll down to the bottom. And here you will be able to see exit community option. You can tap on it. It will ask you to reconfirm if you really want to exit this community. So you can tap on exit again. And there you go. That's how you can exit community in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.